Well, may I now request Abhishek to kindly address us, please.
Good afternoon, everyone. I would like to thank you all, the respected members, the dignitaries present over here, for giving me the opportunity to come and talk to you. I would also like to thank Shushmita ma'am for following up with the most introvert and incommunicative person in the world in order to fix up today's meeting with you all. Thanks really. I'm honored and I'm glad to be here. I'm supposed to give you some inspirational talk, tips about how to be a rank holder, and tell you stuff which you can think about when you leave this room. That worries me. That really worries me. It gives me performance anxiety. Here you are, something thousand of you, even more than that, hoping to hear words of wisdom from this carefree person who was just like you all few months ago, till the 17th of Jan came and he became Christian with two significant letters before his name. Yes, CA. It means a lot to me, and I suppose to you all too, and to all of us who are present here. We really take pride in being a chartered accountant. To tell you about my personal upbringing, I come from a very normal middle class family, and as such, I have seen a lot of pains and failures. But still, my parents have taken utmost sacrifices in admitting me to a missionary school, then running the pressures of this auspicious course, and then admitting me to one of the most venerated colleges in entire India, St. Xavier's. They are my most beautiful gifts. After I passed the CA, in my Facebook photograph, one of my relatives commented, "Proud parents." That was a photograph with me, my father and mom. So they said, "Proud parents." I corrected them. "Sorry, ma'am, it's not proud parents, but a blessed son." Yes, Mets. I am, thank you. I am a blessed son, a blessed brother too. For my brother and sister are the mirrors of my life. So are my friends. And yes, one, two are even present over here. I want to say to them, without you, I would have been nothing. There have been teachers who have ennobled me. I wish to extend gratitude to all of them. If you want to survive in life, it's best to begin to respect the gift of love right now. I'll just tell you 4 simple things. Number 1, do not worry. Well, how much do you think this mobile weigh? How much do you think this mobile weigh? Louder, please. 80 grams, okay. Now what will happen if I hold it some 10 minutes or 20 minutes? My hand will pain, okay. What will happen if I hold it 10 hours? My hand will break into pieces. I might even go to a doctor or be admitted to a hospital. But tell me, all this while, did this weight change? 80 grams or something which you talked about? It didn't. Then why my hands have started aching? Because I have hold on to it. Worries are like that. The more you hold on to them, they will bog you down. So the first lesson, never ever be bogged down by worries. Second, keep your axe sharp. We know there are lots and lots of development in the finance world coming up. There is DTC, again in the pipeline, GST in the pipeline, companies bill in the pipeline, Schedule 6 have already been revised. Keep yourself abreast of these changes and juxtapose them in your answers. They will fetch you more marks. So keep yourself updated. Third lesson, be yourself. कितने लोग यहाँ पे हैं जो कि कोलकाता का सबसे फेमस टीचर्स के पास गए हैं ट्यूशंस लेने के लिए. Most of us, with what reason? Because the teachers are famous. They teach well. But do you learn well? So your learning is important. Be yourself. Don't go to a teacher just because my friend goes. Go to a teacher from whom you can learn. He may not be famous. He may not have 10 to 12 degrees associated with his name. But if he has the experience, if he has the knowledge, and you can learn something from him, go to that teacher. Follow yourself. Don't give the remote control of your life to somebody else. Be yourself. And the last one, never say never. There will be failures in life. There will be mistakes. You have got to come up with those. So what I have learned that no matter what happens or how bad it seems today, life goes on. I have learned that you can tell a lot about a person by the way he handles a rainy day. I have learned that from these storms, we need to create our own rainbows. I have learned that regardless of your relationship with your parents, you will miss them when they are gone. I have learned that making a living is not the same as making a life. I have learned that whenever I decide things with an open heart, I usually make the rightest of decisions. I have learned to believe in love and leave people. And I have learned that I still have a lot to learn. Thank you. Remember, there are no ifs and buts. And never ever give rubbish to anybody or talk rubbish or take rubbish from anybody. Thank you.
Well, thank you, Abhishek.